If a and b are positive integers and a squared minus b squared is equal to 24, which of the following could be the smallest value of a? To do this problem, the best way to actually approach this is to just use plug and chug. We have 4 possible answers here, so we can just plug in all of these and then in ascending order, and then we will eventually find the smallest value. Basically what we're saying is that we're trying to find the smallest value, so let's start with the smallest possible value and work our way up, whichever is the first one that will satisfy a squared minus b squared equals 24, and then both of these a and b are positive integers. We know that that choice would be the right choice. Okay, let's try a first. So a will be 4 squared minus b squared is equal to 24. This will get us 16 minus b squared is equal to 24. Subtract both sides, that's going to get us negative 8 is equal to negative b squared. So b squared is equal to 8. So when we take the square root of both sides, we get square root of 8, which is obviously not a positive integer. So therefore, a is not correct. Okay, and let's try the second one. 25 minus b squared is equal to 24. Subtract both sides by 25. We get 0 is equal to b squared. Negative b squared is equal to negative 1. So b squared is equal to 1. So therefore, b is equal to 1. This will actually get us a satisfactory answer for b as well, because b and a are now 2 positive integers, and they both satisfy a squared minus b squared is equal to 24. So therefore, the answer to this question is b.